Hey guys, I'm out and about today because I'm feeling ill. I thought some sunshine would do me good. Check out this beautiful waterfall. Can you see it good? So pretty. I have a cold and I wasn't feeling well, so I knew some vitamin D would do me some good. I kind of, no offense to my dog, but this is the kind of place I kind of wish I was alone. Sorry, Faith. It's really hard holding her with, sometimes she just tugs really hard, and I want to go explore places she can't go, and she wants to go places that we shouldn't go. There's some people way down there. I don't know if you can see them. I don't know how they got down there. I'm really jealous because I want to go down there. See, I would just sit here for hours, and maybe I'll come here without my dog next time, so I can just enjoy it without like struggling with holding her. So I'm gonna go. I just wanted to say, sometimes the things that are the best things for us are the things that we resist the most. If you resist something that most, think about why, because it's probably good for you. Just like I knew getting out in the sun would be good for me. Even though I have a cold, and even though I'm having cramps, I knew it would be nice. Alright guys, take care, and have a great day.